This mural, created by Brigitte and Melissa Turner of Melbourne's Murals, honours the late Don Charlwood, a highly respected author that lived in Frankston. Charlwood's novel All the Green Year is considered an Australian classic. It follows the journey of Charlie Reeve, a young boy navigating the transition to adulthood while living in a small town during the Great Depression. Published in 1965, the book sold more than 100,000 copies and came to be set as a text for high school English literature studies. Visual storytellers by nature, Dawson and Turner set out to tell the story of Charlie Reeve, himself a fictionalised version of Charlwood. The team have worked together for more than a decade, finding pleasure in beautifying streetscapes and telling the stories of Australian culture and history. Covering a large wall in Thompson Lane, the duo were adamant the mural had to reflect its location to be a uniquely Frankston piece. The piece depicts Frankston in its early years, with two young boys sitting in a pine tree overlooking Oliver's Hill. Most intriguing of all, perhaps, is the depiction of Charlie sitting alone with his dog and his gramophone. The scene conjures a feeling of dilemma as Charlie longs for the freedom and responsibility of adulthood, but is dissuaded by the future of a world facing a depression. A prolific author and World War II veteran, Don Charlwood is also known for his memoir No Moon Tonight, recounting his experiences as an RAAF navigator in Bomber Command during the war. Charlwood was made a member of the Order of Australia in 1992 for his services to literature and passed away at the age of 96 in 2012.